Hey everyone, and welcome back to Just4fun290. Today we're going to show you this Imaginext Batman vehicle gift set. This set includes Batman with his helicopter and Robin with his submarine. Now here's everything out of the package, and we'll first look at Batman. He's in his gray and black outfit with a yellow belt and then his Batman logo on his chest. He also has his awesome black cape on. Next, let's look at the helicopter. So what I'll do is I'll put Batman in the driver's seat here. So we'll need his help on controlling the helicopter for us. And I'll move this over so we can have room to see the helicopter. Here's a look at the side of the helicopter. It spins around. You can also push in here. That does that. Also has the Batman logo back here. This door slides open. You can open and close it. And then when we open it, this hook comes out. Goes up and down like that. We can also store the safety raft right in here. Shut the door. When it's time to save somebody, we open it, have this fall out. Just like that. And then we can pick it up also. It goes right in there. And this opens and closes. That way it'll protect Batman. This side doesn't open, stays closed. On the bottom it has wheels. Next, let's check out Robin and his submarine. Here's Robin. He has his green pants on, green gloves, yellow belt, Robin logo right on his shirt there. And then here's his submarine. This thing's really cool. You can open this just like that and close it. Let's keep it open so we can put Robin in there. That way he can control this for us. This also has these arms or claws on it, so when it's deep in the ocean or the sea, it can grab onto things and pick them up. The Black Manta's been trying to pollute our oceans. It's time for me to put an end to this. Wonder where Black Manta could be.
Are you looking for me?
Yeah, I'm looking for you, and it's time for you to stop polluting the ocean.
How dare you come to my ocean and speak to me this way? You must be destroyed.
Your ocean? Last time I checked, it's everybody's ocean. Now you must be destroyed. Oh man, I think I need to make some upgrades to this thing. No!
I have a feeling Robin could use my help right now. Now which helicopter should I take? I think I'll take my new one. Batman, please help. I'm coming for you, buddy. A safety raft. Perfect timing. Get back here. Hold on, Robin. Time to head out, Robin. Wait,
about my submarine?
Don't worry, I got it.
Nice work, Batman. Thanks, Batman, for saving me and my submarine. I really appreciate it.
Not a problem, Robin. That's what partners are for.
Hey, Batman, since when did you have all these helicopters? Do you think you have enough now?
You can't ever have enough helicopters, Robin.
Yeah, maybe you're right about that, Batman. Well, thanks for watching Just for Fun 290, everyone. Have a great day.